is lesson 2.4, day 1 and day 2's recording. Here's the homework for tonight. Here are the answers to last night's homework. You're going to pause that and check it. All right, here's the notes on distributed property. I'm going to show an example of this. When you are distributing, this problem would be better written 1/3 times the quantity 3b minus 2. That's what that is read, 1/3 times that quantity. I am distributing this 1/3. 1/3 times positive 3b is just b. And 1/3 times negative 2 is negative 2/3. This problem is read negative 4 times the quantity 2x minus 6. You're going to distribute the negative 4. Negative 4 times positive 2x is negative 8x, and negative 4 times negative 6 is positive 24. And you're done. Pause this and copy this down. Pause this and copy this down. Okay, here's day 2's homework. And the answers to last night's homework, which you'll want to pause and check. And here's a warm-up that I want you to do. Pause the video now and do it. I want to take a look at this. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. Okay. Which expression represents the perimeter of the figure? First of all, how do you find a perimeter of any shape in the world? Page, add up all the sides. Now, in a shape like this, make sure you know where you're starting. So I'm going to put a little dash to where I'm starting. Now, do I think that I need to write all of these out, this plus this plus this plus this? No. I am going to start here, and I am going to work my way straight on around, combining like terms. So let's add up our x's. X plus 2x is 3x, plus x is 4x, plus x is 5x, plus 2x is 7x, plus x is 8x. So I add up all my x's, I get 8x. The second part of combining like terms is adding up the rest of our like terms, which in this case are all constants. So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26, plus 5 is 31. That'll be 31 plus 3 is 34, plus 4 is 38. 8x plus 38, which is A. Perimeter is nothing more than adding up the sides. Now, I really like what Delaney did. This is what Delaney did. She said, okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So she wrote 4 times the quantity x plus 4. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 plus 2 of these. 2 times the quantity 2x plus 5. I really like that thought process. What do you need to do here if you're simplifying this? Because now we need to simplify this. What do I need to do, Chloe? I need to use the distributive property. I need to simplify these. I need to multiply before I add. So when I distribute here, 4 times the quantity x plus 4. 4 times x is 4x. Positive 4 times positive 4 is positive 16. Plus 4 times 3 is 12. Plus, we're going to distribute here. Positive 2 times 2x is Positive 4x. I really shouldn't have written that plus until I knew it was positive 4x, but they're all positives. Positive 2 times positive 5 is positive 10. Now, I can combine like terms. 4x plus 4x is 8x. 16 plus 12 plus 10. 28, 30. Same answer. Okay? But I really like doing this thought process there. Just another way to write that problem. As you're adding on both sides. All right. Let me pause this.